Hi everyone, I'm Bianca Jordan, immigration lawyer at Brazen Legal, where I help my clients get legal status without leaving the United States. If you'd like to work with me on your immigration case, you can give my office a call at 508-942-7497, or you can visit brazenlegal.com/contact to book a consultation today. This video is about an issue that I'm seeing pop up more and more, and it involves people who are in the United States undocumented and then they decide to leave. So if you are here in the United States undocumented, whether because you originally came to the United States undocumented, or maybe you came in with a tourist visa and then you overstayed by more than 6 months or more than a year, and then you decide to leave the United States. A very serious issue that you need to be aware of is the 3 and 10-year bar that is in our immigration law. And this part of the law states that if you are undocumented in the US for more than 6 months, but less than a year, and then you leave the United States, you're not going to be able to come back for 3 years. If you spend more than a year in the United States undocumented, and then you leave the United States, you're not going to be able to come back for 10 years. The exception is if you can get what is called an inadmissibility waiver, and not everyone who needs a waiver qualifies for a waiver. This waiver is only given to you if you have a qualifying relative, and for the purposes of this waiver, a qualifying relative either has to be a U.S. citizen spouse or parent, or a green card holding spouse or parent. So if you need a waiver and you don't have these qualifying relatives, then you're not going to be able to come back to the US for 3 or 10 years, depending on how long you overstayed in the United States. So if you're considering leaving the US and you are in a situation where you have accumulated enough time undocumented in the US before you leave, speak with an immigration attorney first so that you can understand the consequences of that decision. If ever you leave the United States in this situation, you're not going to be able to come back very easily. So you want to make sure that you're speaking with an immigration professional, an immigration attorney, so that you can understand what could happen to you and can you even come back. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, how I can help you get legal status in the US. And if you're not following me already, follow me on Instagram at Brazen Lawyer. And please be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.